All right, our first video for solving quadratic equations. Our first video, we're going to learn how to solve by factoring. To solve by factoring, we want the equation equal to 0. And the reason why is because when two quantities are multiplied and they equal 0, that means either this has to be 0, because 0 times any number is 0, or the second part has to be 0, because 0 times any number is 0. So that tells us how to solve this. We get it equal to 0, factor, and then find out when each factor is 0. So let me subtract 28 from both sides to get it equal to 0. X squared minus 12x minus 28. 28 negative 28 is 0. To factor this, what two numbers multiply to negative 28 but add to negative 12? Negative 14 and positive 2 multiply to negative 28, but they add to 12. Now, like I was explaining over here, set each factor equal to 0 and solve. When I add 14 to both sides, we get x equals 14. Here, when I subtract 2, we get x equals negative 2. So these are the two solutions. So notice when you solve quadratics, usually you get two solutions. A little later we'll talk about the time there's one situation you get one solution, but it's actually a repeated solution. So that's how you solve by factoring.